1, 2, 3, 4 unboxings to do. First on this Monster Jam Gravedigger Multicolor Edition with Battle of Bone with Gravedigger Revenge and multicolor tires. Let's see had. Well, I mean these, except for blue phone that I had, along with Aftershock, and I have an Earthshaker regular, but I mean a metal one. So here goes the Gravedigger one. So here's a multicolored Gravedigger with its pretty nice ones. Very and unique. On to the next one. It is FA-18 Super Hornet, but manufactured by Boeing. It's maintenance. Matchbox Skybusters. And so here it is. That's a pretty nice blue stripe. Mine on it. That's awesome, to be honest. Here's a Matchbox Ford Mustang, which is 2018 model. And here it is. That's a unique Ford Mustang. And that's awesome, to be honest. And here's the last one. Here's this LB Charlotte Works GD Nissan from Hot Wheels. So let's get into it. That's a pretty much sports car, to be honest. And I also have a blue one and a 2. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Over and out. Bone script detected. And from a Monster Jam one, we got a wristband and Monster Jam poster, to be honest. Here's a wristband that works. I can put it right there. And here is a Monster Jam one. I can put it down, open it. To see it looks like. And here's it looks like. The flip is kind of a Megalodon. That's pretty awesome. I will see you again soon.